What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Scooter, and we are back with another video. Right now we are preparing for Cruising the Coast in Biloxi, Mississippi. Last year there was thousands and thousands of classic cars. This show is amazing. It is a good time. I'm waiting on Cameron. He's supposed to be showing up today. He's going to be bringing a 55 Bel Air that is mostly restored. It's a sweet car. We're going to be taking it down there. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel. And I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys. So Cameron just called me. He's in town with the 55 Bel Air. We're headed to meet him now. Let's go take a look at this thing. Look at her. It's about to be a good weekend, Cam. What you think?
Oh, yeah.
Man, she's looking good. All we gotta do now is what? Go load her?
Go load it, wash the tow rig, roll with it.
Yep. We'll see y'all back at the house. Hey guys, so Cameron showed up at the house a little while ago. He's got the Bel Air parked over there in front of the house. He's getting his Dodge washed right now. We're gonna be pulling the Bel Air with this truck. We're gonna be putting it on the trailer here in a little bit, getting everything packed and ready to go. And yeah, just preparing for the show tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It's the next morning. We're headed to pick up Cameron. I took him home yesterday evening because he left his truck and trailer over here at my house. He washed the Bel Air and washed his truck yesterday. So he just left everything over here. That way he wouldn't get it dirty, or he didn't really want to try to get it down his driveway either. But we're headed to pick Cameron up, and then we'll be coming back over here to get the truck and trailer, and then we'll be meeting up with everybody else. Well, Cameron's here. Got the old Dodge warming up. Gonna throw these bags in the truck, and we're gonna head to town and meet everybody. So we just stopped here in Vidalia, Louisiana. This is our first stop on the trip. We wanted to stop and get some breakfast. Everything's going good. We got a few of our friends following us. Michael decided to bring his truck this year, so we're finna get back on the road. How'd you guys? It's day 2 for us. That sounded good. How'd you guys? It's day 2 for us. Yesterday we just kind of cruised the strip, looked at a bunch of cars. It's a bunch of sweet rides out here. I think the only thing we're really going to do today is I think Michael wanted to find some t-shirts, so we may go look for a vendor. So let's see how today turns out. cruising. Hey man, what's up with that wacky Wednesday? Excuse the drip.
Oh, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna get back with it here sooner or later. I actually just left that store right there. America's Trip. Hey, check me out. I got two custom rigs right here.
Look at it.
One for that light blue and one for when I'm feeling red or wine.
All right, guys, it's Saturday morning, day 3 for us. Yesterday we got to stop at a couple venues, look at some sweet rides. We stopped at Trucks and Tacos, and then well, first we went to the one at the mall, then we went to Trucks and Tacos. But the one at the mall, we got to hang out with Jacob Dewey. He's a newer YouTuber out of Louisiana. The dude's just pretty cool and humble, man. He's a good guy. We got to hang out, and shout out to Jacob. I got to check out his OBS. If you're not subscribed to him, hop over to Duhe Speed Shop. That's D-U-H-E Speed Shop, and subscribe, show some support. But we're gonna eat here in a minute, and then we're gonna go hit the strip and look at some more rides. So hope you guys enjoying the video, and yeah, let's go check it out. What's that boy got? Deliveries. you guys, that's going to do it for Cruising the Coast 2024. It was a great weekend. We had a great time. We was there from Thursday to Sunday. Me and Cam's loaded up in the truck, headed back home. We got a little over, what, about 2.5 hours, maybe a little more of driving till we're back home. Everything went great. We had a couple little hiccups with the 55, but it was still a fun time. Thank you guys for the support. I've been getting a bunch of subscribers lately. Thank you to each one of y'all. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel. And as always, y'all hook somebody and tell them you love them. Peace.